Good morning, welcome to another episode of Adventure Builds. Today we're going to be working on this 2014 Rubicon JKU. We're getting ready for a trip to Death Valley, and the track bar bracket has a crack in it. We have a PSC Hydro assist, and I'll show you what we did to mount it, but there's too much leverage on it and it ended up cracking at the axle tube, so we're going to stiffen that up today. So here I'll show you what we have and what we're going to do. So we have the wheel off the JKU. We'll get in here. So this is the track bar bracket, the original one. And then we put the Hydro Assist on it. And there was really nowhere to mount it, so we welded a plate on here, which is 1/8 inch steel, and then bolted it through with the track bar bolt, and then welded it around the perimeter. It worked well for a while, but the stress and the leverage from the PSC, especially when four-wheeling, on the street it doesn't make much difference, but over rocks, flexes this plate. And what happened was the stock connection to the track bar mount, right here where my finger is, cracked the weld. So we're going to weld that back up today, and then on this bracket we are going to put a gusset back over to here. So I am going to put a plate like this. I still have to trim it up, but we're going to weld this plate from the axle up here to the top of our PSC plate to basically transfer this torque right here from when you steer off-road down to the axle tube. Now you might be noticing that the track bar bolt right here, if I have to remove the track bar, this is going to seriously impede getting a track bar out, so I'm going to have to take it off at the other end and this end and then pull it out. That's fine because we have a new Dynatrack front end coming. This one has a bent axle tube, and so it is going to be replaced here in the next month. So this is a temporary fix for our trip to Death Valley. So I cut this plate and I'm going to test fit it. I got to trim the edge up, but I'm going to fit it right in here and I'll tack it on. I got to clean the axle up. Well, there you have it. It's all done. So that didn't take very long. Got that all done in about 20 minutes. Better to fix it now than have a trail repair, so I'll go in one final look here at the finished product. It's all painted. This is a 2014 JKU, my brother's Jeep, and we were in Moab and he bent the front axle tube, and so we have a Dynatrack coming, which should be here in 2 to 3 weeks. So we will be installing that, and then we will do a walk around on this Jeep. He's put a lot of time and money in it and has a lot of cool features, so that will be coming up in a future episode. We'll feature this Jeep. So stay tuned for those. Those will be coming up here in the next few episodes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like the content, and please leave some comments and help me figure out which way to go. If there's something you'd like to see or didn't see, something I should have done differently, or something that you liked, leave me a comment and I will answer it for you. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.